What to expect from gold this year? In this video I will share with you my technical and fundamental outlooks for gold in 2025. We will discuss what influenced gold prices in recent years. I will reveal the main fundamental news events to pay close attention to this year and the detailed trading plan for buying and selling gold effectively. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's start. First, let's discuss the dynamics of gold price for the last 4 years and its main causes. We are on gold chart on a weekly time frame, and here we can see the price action since 2019. On the chart, I underline the main fundamental events that triggered strong bullish and bearish rallies on gold. The first event was, of course, COVID and the consequent COVID lockdowns. You can see that because of COVID and the increased government spending, the market started to grow rapidly and we saw a significant bull run. Then the abolition of lockdowns was the relief for the financial markets, and because of that we started to correct, gold started to fall, and we even started to trade in a bearish trend. Then the war in Ukraine started, and that caused a significant bullish rally. Cheaters, don't miss my next gold trading signal. Subscribe to my free Telegram channel now, the link in the description below. Then the peace talks initiated the relief, the market started to fall, and for 3 consecutive months we saw a nice bearish trend on gold. Then Russia mobilized the troops, and the escalation of the conflict caused the initiation of a rapid bullish movement on gold. Then the situation became even worse with the start of war in Palestine. And then with 2 very significant wars, we have a very strong bullish trend. And the escalation of both conflicts make the market rise rapidly. The main factors that made gold prices skyrocket in the recent years were the uncertainty, the increased US government spending, and the severe geopolitical tensions. At the same time, the positive news as the abolition of the lockdowns and the hopes for the favorable future stopped bullish rallies on gold and triggered the bearish movements. The escalation of Ukrainian and the Middle East conflicts made gold very bullish last year. However, one significant event at the end of last year stopped bullish rally. From the beginning of 2024, gold was rising rapidly and the entire year was very bullish. But then, at the end of the year, the election of Trump, the victory of Trump, stopped the bullish rally, and the market started a significant correction. The first significant correction in 2024 with the almost 9% correctional movement. Why the election of Trump would stop a bullish rally on gold and made gold start a significant correctional movement. One of the core campaign promises of Trump administration was the commitment to end the wars, to finish the Ukrainian war and to bring peace in the Middle East. So what can we expect from gold this year? I strongly believe that everything depends on real actions of Trump administration. In a single day when the Trump victory was declared, gold dropped by 3.5%. And then after a local correction, the market dropped by 6% in just 4 days. For now, the campaign promises are just words, and we don't see any real peace talks. The failure to bring peace and the failure to deliver the campaign promises will inevitably make gold start a new bullish rally. At the same time, the real actions and the signed peace treaties will push gold prices much lower. The relief in geopolitical tensions may even establish a new bearish trend on the market. If we analyze the price action on gold chart on a daily, we can see that since the election of Trump and since the completion of this correction, the market started to trade in a wide horizontal range. That is the current range where the price is stuck. And while the market waits for the real actions of Trump administration, the market keeps respecting the boundaries of that range. And depending on that range and depending on the current all-time high that we see on the price chart, we can build the effective trading plan. So first, let's discuss the pessimistic outlook. If Trump fails to deliver his campaign promises, we are going to see the breakouts of both of the resistance of that range and the breakout of the current all-time high. And the resistance based on the current all-time high should be your main focus. If the price violates that, if we see the breakout of that and the candle close above that, most likely it will signify a further bullish continuation higher. It will most likely signify that Trump lied, and it will most likely signify that geopolitical tensions will continue to escalate. So monitor how the price reacts to that resistance. Its breakout, supported by the negative fundamental news, will be your strong bullish signal. At the same time, let's discuss the positive scenario. Let's discuss what will confirm the initiation of a bearish trend on gold. So far, as we discussed, the market is stuck within that horizontal range. And in order to confirm the relief in the geopolitical tensions, we are going to look for the breakout of that huge support. That is a massive support that we have on gold chart at the moment, and you can see how nicely it holds. If the peace treaties will be accompanied by the breakout of that significant support, it will initiate the long-term correctional movement. It will most likely initiate even the minor bearish trend on the market, and we can expect a bearish movement lower. And this part of the video is recorded 1 week after the inauguration of Trump. The first week of his presidency clearly shows the shift in rhetoric. Promising to end the Ukrainian war in one single day, he is now claiming the Ukrainian government to finish the war in 100 days. And gold immediately reacts. Look what is happening with gold after Trump inauguration. Here is the inauguration day, and you can see that the first days of his presidency are very bullish. It happens because the words of Trump are louder than the real actions, and the market becomes pessimistic again. I'm paying a close attention to the reaction of the price to the resistance based on the all-time high. Its violation will open a potential for further strong bullish continuation. We don't know what is going to happen this year. For that reason, we should have a plan for the positive news and for the bad ones. The words of politicians do not worth any penny. However, honestly, I want to believe that the global sentiment will be better and the conflicts will resolve. Let me know, traders, in the comment section, what are your expectations from gold this year? Don't miss my next free gold trading signal. Subscribe to my free Telegram channel now, the link in the description below. Also, traders, please don't forget to watch my other videos.